Hello my dear students, welcome to Social Science class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Natural Resources. Students, natural resources mean the things that we get directly from nature. Let's discuss natural resources in detail. First, I will tell you the meaning of resources, or we can say what are resources. Children, the things that we use for our benefit. BENEFIT, benefit, are called resources. RESOURCES, resources. For example, soil, water, sunlight, minerals, machines, paper, etc. Students, these resources are of two types. Number 1, man-made resources, and number 2, natural resources. Let's talk about man-made resources. The resources which are not made by nature but are made by human beings are called man-made resources. For example, table, fan, house, pencil, bridge, car, etc. Next comes natural resources. Children, the things that are found in nature and people can use them to meet their needs are called natural resources. For example, vegetation, animals, soil, minerals, water, etc. Children, further, these natural resources are of two types. Number 1, exhaustible resources. EXHAUSTIBLE, exhaustible resources. These resources are also called non-renewable resources. Number 2, inexhaustible resources. INEXHAUSTIBLE, inexhaustible resources. These resources are also called renewable resources. Students, we can understand the resources and its types with this flow chart. Resources. Resources are of two types, man-made resources and natural resources. Natural resources are again of two types, exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. So that's all about today's class. We will discuss the types of natural resources in detail in our next class. Till then, bye bye.